Well, my name's Sally. I'm a digital content creator, and we've lived here for about 12 years. First wave of extension was 9 years ago, and we didn't quite get the space we wanted, but we were patient and the rules changed, and there's permitted development and all sorts of things. So about a year ago, we decided it was time to push. Well, we were either going to move, which costs so much money, but we decided to stay and improve, don't move. So we got a really good architect on board, and he managed to push our limits to the max, and they just went straight through planning. So we were so pleased, which meant we could do the space we're sitting in now, which actually makes the house really flow.
Do you fancy a cup of tea?
So the part of the kitchen that we're in now is flat roof. It's a single story extension, which was part of the permitted development, the 150 centimetres out, which actually made all the difference. So a key thing for us, because we've got lovely garden around us, was to bring light in. So a wall of glass made perfect sense to have on the wall, but actually we needed to start thinking what was above our heads. Coincidentally, I had an email drop into my inbox, and it was an invitation to a breakfast, and it was a launch for a window, a roof light, and the invitation came from Vario by VELUX. And I just thought, oh, that's amazing timing, because we're literally looking at how to light the ceiling, what we were going to do. So I went along, and we were in a beautiful warehouse, and it was all set up with this amazing flat window roof light hanging from the ceiling with flowers. Oh, it was just gorgeous, and we had a lovely breakfast. And all I was thinking is, God, I really like that. I really want that in my house. What good timing is this? What we chose is a completely flat piece of glass. And I always imagined, I don't know about you, but I always imagined that a flat roof light would be flat on the ceiling and a bit nondescript. What I hadn't factored into that is that there's an upstand. Because I think I had in my mind that we wanted a lantern because I wanted the height. Because it's a flat roof, you want to give some height to the room. So what we've got here is this beautiful flat piece of glass, and it's in a tall upstand. So we've got the best of both worlds. We've got a clear view of the sky, and we've got the height and that feeling of space, which, oh, it just blows me away. I'm so pleased with it. I'm so glad that invite came through. It's completely changed how we feel about it's like the main part of the design rather than the end of the house being the main part of the design. When people come around the corner and they see this window here, they literally go, oh my God, that's so cool. And it's so cool, and yet it's functional. The whole point is it's a functional window. It brings light in. And yet we spend an awful lot of time indoors in the UK, don't we? And this brings in more light than a side window, like just a normal window. I think you've got 90% more light coming in from the ceiling than you have coming in from the side. So, and daylight's good for you. It's good it just makes you feel better, doesn't it? Health benefits.
Sure goes it down.
Everything, just how you feel about being in your house. It's just absolutely perfect. We're so pleased with it.